Hello friends, welcome to my video. This video is all about best-in-class features of Ashok Leyland 1215 truck. Feature number 1 is proven 110 kilowatts, H4 engine with iGen 6 technology. Feature number 2 is superior cable shift mechanism for better driving comfort. Feature number 3 is parabolic suspension in front for superior ride comfort. Feature number 4 is gear shift advisory system indicates to the driver the correct time to shift up or down the gear. Feature number 5 is auto exhaust brake improves service brakes life and reliability by activating automatic exhaust braking during downhill operation. Feature number 6 is with lower DEF consumption in compact design. iGen 6 lowers the cost of operation per ton kilometer, offering increased payload and low maintenance. Feature number 7 is the Boss 1215 is available in 3 different wheelbases such as 3900 mm, 4400 mm and 4900 mm. Feature number 8 is projected metallic bumper and clear headlamps for better safety and visibility. Feature number 9 is sleeping provision in day cabin. Feature number 10 is tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Feature number 11 is inbuilt music player with speakers. Feature number 12 is the adequate ventilation cabin provides and pedestrian view.